Replacing rocker panels in your first or second gen Camaro? Planning on swinging big horsepower? Looking for a slick way to enhance rigidity so your suspension can work as designed? And you're torn on a full cage? Then you don't want to miss this. Concise and to the point. This is episode 2 of How To Into. Rocker panels are integral to the structural integrity of unibody cars. They're key in distributing and managing structural loads and contribute to the overall stiffness and rigidity of the chassis. They play a crucial role in preventing flex and torsion, ensuring that the body maintains its shape during dynamic driving conditions. When the rocker panels succumb to rust and weaken, it's like having a structural weak link in the chain. This corrosion not only compromises the overall strength of your Camaro, but can also lead to handling issues and major safety concerns, especially when you up the horsepower. Reinforcing integral rocker panels in your protouring Camaro build. It's a no-brainer. It's an upgrade that enhances both structural integrity and handling performance. And besides, you're in there already. I took inspiration from a convertible rocker. The clear section screams with opportunity. Bend some 16 gauge steel. Match the profile of the factory inner quarter brace. I fabbed 3 2-foot pieces, butted and clamped here on a 3x2 inch rectangular section. Weld the joints and ensure good penetration. Dimple die for added rigidity and to reduce weight. Modify the front portion to tie into the A-pillar. Form a new quarter brace to join inner and outer rockers. Prep and seal for welding. Because the outer rocker is off the car, no issue welding. All that's left is to install the rockers outer first, then the inner.
That was easy.
If I've piqued your interest with this rocker upgrade, you'll need to watch this video for all the details and dimensions.